her eyes? Did you get her eyes?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it again. Nice. Nice. Great. Nice. Okay. What? What? What do you want? I don't know what, Luna, I don't know what that means. Man, I don't know why I'm so hungry today. It's like, I'm so hungry. I'm just so hungry. It's weird, I've been hungry all day. I don't know why. What is it? What is it, Luna? What's under there? Come on, let's go look. Oh. Is that your wubba? Is that your wubba? Under here? Is it under there? What's under there? Yeah, you got it. What? I don't know what that means. I don't know what you want. What? I don't know what that means. Luna, sit. Luna. Nice. Nice. Good. Nice. Wait. 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 Okay. Good girl. Wait. 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 Wait.
She just got like, she keeps like flipping her head.
Wait. Good. Wait. Okay. Like that. Where's your other foot? Yeah. One leg on and one leg off. Like that. Is that how you do it, Luna? Yeah. Are you gonna climb up or what? Oh. With the tail wagging. Aw.